children, good morning. Welcome to mathematics class. So children, in the last session we completed the third chapter. Okay, that is numbers. We learned numbers from 0 to 9. That numbers over and comparison of numbers also completed. So today we will start the next chapter, that is addition. What Nana? Addition. Addition up to 9. Addition up to 9. So this is the new chapter. So before the topic, I will show one small picture for you. Let's see. Yes, eye connect is there, no? Yes. Trees provide food and shelter for a variety of birds and small animals. Yes or no? Trees provide for shelter. Yes? For a variety of birds living in the trees. So here addition and first before that first how many birds are there? Let's count. How many birds are there? Yes, very good. 3 birds. 1, 2, 3. How many birds are there? 3. So, observe the second line. 2 birds are sitting on the branch of a tree. Yes or no? 2 birds are sitting on the branch. One more bird join them. Yes, 2 birds are sitting on the branch. The one more bird is coming to sit on the branch. Because of that, 3 birds are friends. Yes, children. 2 birds were sitting on the branch of a tree. One more bird joined them. So total, how many birds are there, children? How many birds are there? Yes, in this blank you have to write 3 birds. How many birds? 3 birds. Okay. And the next one, addition. What is the meaning of addition? Addition means putting the things or objects together. We use plus sign for addition. So look at the picture. Look at the monkeys. The playing on the branch of a tree. Some more monkeys have joined them. So children, have you observed? Have you seen this picture? Yes. How many monkeys are there? Nana, count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. How many monkeys are there? 6. So, how many monkeys are playing on the branch of a tree? Yes. How many monkeys are playing on the branch of a tree? Yes, this is a branch or not? Yes, here how many monkeys are there? Yes, 2 monkeys are playing on the branch of a tree. How many more monkeys joined them? How many more monkeys joined them? That means 4 monkeys. Remaining 2 already are there on the branch. The remaining 4 monkeys are there to join them, to play. Okay? So, how many monkeys are there in all? Total 6 monkeys are there. How many monkeys are there, Nana? 6 monkeys. So, like this we have to count the addition, count the numbers. In the same way, next one, Nana. Picture addition. Picture addition. So, here first how many pandas are there in the first picture? 3 pandas. How many pandas? 3. And next, how many add them? How many are there remaining? 4. It will make total. Already 3 pandas are there, Nana. One more, 4 new pandas came to this group for friendship. So it will make total. How many pandas are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So how many? 7. That means, Nana, how can we write in the addition form? In this picture addition, in this picture addition, first how many pandas are there, Nana? 3 pandas are there. First 3. And in the next picture, how many pandas joined here? 4 pandas. So to add these two numbers, we have to use the sign. Sign means symbol. Which symbol we are using? Plus. What is, Nana? Plus symbol. What is this? Plus symbol. 3 plus 4. How can we read? 3 plus 4. So total how many pandas came? 7. By using the count, we counted no already? Yes, by 7. In the same way, one more picture also there. First, how many turtles are there first in this first picture? 5. If we add 4 turtles, it will make total 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. That means we say 5 turtles plus 4 turtles equals to 9 turtles. That means, Nana, I am writing on the board. First, how many turtles are there? 5 turtles. Adding 4 turtles. 5 turtles plus 4 turtles equals to 9 turtles. 9 turtles. So this is about addition, beta. In the next picture, we have seen count, add and write. Okay. In this first picture, how many flowers are there? First 4. Next 2. That means here 4 flowers are there. So you have to write here 4. Plus already they given. The next remaining how many flowers are there? 2. 4 plus 2. Count all the flowers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So in this blank you have to write 6. 4 plus 2, 6. Next 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 plus 4. 5 plus 4. That means here 5 sunflowers are there. So here 4. 5 plus 4. How can you write here 9? You just all count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So in this blank you have to write 9. You have to write 9. So once again here I am writing. First we have 4 rose flowers. Again add 2 flowers. So it's equals to total 6 flowers. The same way first we have 5 flowers. We add them. 4 flowers. 5 plus 4 is 9. That is 9 flowers. 9 flowers. Next, adding 0 to a number. So children, let's see. Adding 0 to a number. When we add 0 to a number, the answer is the number itself. So children, in the first picture, how many snakes are there, Nana? 3 snakes. How many snakes are there? 3. If we add 0, here we are adding 0. 0 means here any snake are there? No. It is equals to 3 snakes only. ఇక్కడ ఎన్ని స్నేక్స్ అయితే ఉన్నాయో అన్ని స్నేక్సే ఇక్కడ ఉంటాయి. ఎందుకంటే మనం ఏ స్నేక్ని ఇక్కడ యాడ్ చేయలేదు. 3 snakes ప్లస్ 0 snakes ఇట్ ఈస్ ఈక్వల్స్ టు 3 snakes ఓన్లీ. ఇక్కడ ఏదైనా యాడ్ చేస్తే ఇక్కడ యాడ్ అయింది నాన్న. ఇక్కడ ఏ నెంబర్ యాడ్ చేయలేదు. ఇన్ని రిమైనింగ్ ప్రాబ్లమ్స్లో సెకండ్ దాంట్లో యాడ్ చేసాం కాబట్టి ఇక్కడ వాల్యూ అనేది ఇంక్రీజ్ అవుతుంది. ఓకేనా? So here first 3 snakes are there. Here we did not add any snake. So finally we got the same number of snakes. In the same way, next one, 7 fishes plus any fish is there here? No. 7 fishes plus 0 fish. How much? 7 fishes. 7 fishes. So 7 plus 0 equals to 7. So here I am writing on the board. First 3 snakes are there, Nana. So here we did not add any snake. That means did not add means nothing. Nothing means that is 0. 3 plus 0. So how many snakes are there as it is there in the answer? The same way, first 7 fishes are there. We did not add any fish, that means 0. So 7 plus 0 is 7. 7 plus 0 is 7. Okay children, the next class we will discuss remaining topics. Okay, bye.